Welcome to Current Research Platform, a central site for water-related events, media, people, and opportunities in Chicagoland and beyond. On the homepage, you can see upcoming event thumbnails and expand the list to view events for the next month. Click on any event to see a description and find registration information. If you've missed one of Current's signature Third Coast Water Seminar events, you can find webinar recordings here. To find recent local, regional, and national water news, click on one of the thumbnails on the main page or see all stories and follow any link to the source. Want to learn more about a specific topic? We've created pages with relevant information about some of the major challenges faced in water today. Follow any of these links to find news articles, research papers, and more about these pressing subjects. Learn more about how Current is approaching some of these challenges on the Current Supported Projects page. Have a question about Chicago water research? Odds are one of the experts in our network can help you find an answer. Look through many of the professionals at our partner institutions to get connected with some of the most cutting-edge researchers in the field. Current Research can connect you to many different water resources, from funding opportunities to data sources and beyond. You can filter the general resources by category to view external sites with independently updated information. To see the details we've already collected from many of these sources, check out the Funding Opportunities tab at the top of the page. Here, you can view grants, competitions, and awards by host organization, eligible applicants, and funding status to find the opportunity that's right for you. We hope that Current Research can help you stay up to date and connected with the world of waterworks in Chicago and beyond. As we continuously update and improve this platform, feel free to leave us a comment to ask questions, request changes, or share new resources. Thanks for working with us to grow innovation in current water research.